Okay, welcome to another video for anatomy and physiology. In this video, we're going to continue on with our digestive system. In this video, we'll discuss the functions and the two types of digestion. So there's five basic functions for the digestive system, and those functions can be summarized by extraction of nutrients and elimination of waste products. So let's break it down into those five. Number one is ingestion, which is the intake of food. Okay. Number two is digestion, which is breaking down that food that you've just ingested, breaking it down into a usable form for the body. Okay, and that happens through a series of processes that we'll discuss in the next video. And then absorption. After your body breaks down that food, it wants to absorb all the essential nutrients that are needed for the body to perform its normal everyday functions. Okay? And then number four is compaction. Okay, and that compaction, actually compaction and absorption usually occur here in the lower tract of your digestive system. So compaction is basically is absorbing any leftover water in that food, drying it out, consolidating all that waste product. Okay, so after your body has absorbed the nutrients, all the waste products are consolidated into what's called feces, and then finally number five, defecation, which is eliminating the feces. Okay, so those are the five functions of the digestive system. Now let's discuss the two types of digestion. Okay, the first one you already saw just a minute ago with what's called a mechanical digestion, and that is the physical breaking down of food, which is normally done at the mouth when you're grinding your food. Okay, when you're grinding your food. And then also, let's zoom out a little bit. The other part where this breaking down occurs is, or the grinding, is the stomach. Okay, your stomach churns the food. Okay, so this is the physical, mechanical breakdown of food, and then you have the chemical digestion, which occurs through what's called again a series of chemical reactions, hydrolysis, where your food is broken down by the different juices that we'll discuss later from your stomach, okay, and your large intestine and small intestine, where they turn macromolecules, larger molecules, they break them down into smaller monomers. Okay, you have polysaccharides, long chain sugars that are broken down into monosaccharides, and then you also have proteins that are broken down into what we call amino acids. So your body rearranges all these large food molecules, and they rearrange them into smaller molecules, and then they ship them off and pass them along to the blood system, and then your body uses those small molecules to basically build new cells, to repair damaged cells, to build more DNA, to build more muscle. Sugars, as energy, breaks down sugars so that you can run, exercise, think, walk, talk. So that pretty much summarizes this particular video, where again we discussed the function of the digestive system and the two types.